how I keep track of my outfits, so don't make me feel bad, okay? Long sleeve dress, so I think I'm gonna, but this is my 5th and final. Ooh. Subliminal message. Subliminal message.
Got time for no play. You laugh in my face, that's just not okay. Been stuck in my ways, I still overthink. If I let you stay, then give her my pain.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, as you can already tell by the title of this video, I am doing a style with me Valentine's Day outfit ideas video. So I have some really great cute looks for, you know, any Valentine's Day festivities, whether that's a cute paint and sip night, whether it's Galentines, brunch with the girls, or just a nice little date night with your significant other. I have the perfect ideas. So if your style is like mine and you enjoy, you know, my looks and some of the things that I put together, make sure you follow me on Instagram at _SKAHY. And without further ado, let's get right into the video. So for my first outfit, I have this knitted dress that I made. So basically, you know, everybody's really been into like blanket pants and like those like oversized like tapestry sweatshirts. Sorry guys, I'm in a rough. Stairs ain't no joke. I need to get back in the gym. But I have this dress here that kind of has like a doll, kind of like a vintage doll, kind of like those porcelain doll graphics on it. But I got this blanket from the thrift store and then I turned it into a long sleeve dress. So I think I'm gonna, ow. Did y'all see that? No way. But I think I'm gonna try to style this dress. So what I'm thinking about doing with this dress is pairing it with, I think, this pearl necklace. I think that'll look really cute, kind of elevate the look a little bit. So I just put on the dress and now let me put on the necklace to go with it. This is what we have first. I think for shoes, let me actually, I think I'm gonna go with the black, these black square-toed heels, because I think these will look really cute and really just be gorgeous with them. These are thrifted boots, so let me just put these on. But I think for accessories, I have a couple of really cute rings, shades of pink. I think they look really good with this. So as you can see, this is the rings that we have. So now, since I have majority of my outfit together, I have on the black boots. Now I need to figure out what bag to wear. This Coach bag, maybe. Let's try it on. I'm not really feeling this one, so let me try a different bag. And the last option is this black bag. So I think this bag is really cute, actually. I think I might go with this one. All right guys, so I really love this outfit. I love how it turned out. It looks super cute. I would definitely wear this outfit to probably like a cute dinner at a nice restaurant, because I think again, this dress is just a statement piece. So on to the next outfit, and the next outfit I will be doing is by far one of my favorites, which is this outfit right here. So let me just try it on. So you guys, this is the second outfit. I really love this outfit. Again, I think it's very cute for like dinner or like whatever you want to do. So I have this lace Victoria's Secret pink top, not Victoria's Secret pink, but Victoria's Secret pink top, and this little mini skirt that I got from the Goodwill. I don't remember where I got this shirt from, but I got this mini skirt that I got from the Goodwill, and this has little hearts and stuff on it. So I think it's very cute, very perfect for Valentine's Day. I really love it. I think it's so gorgeous. And I think I'm gonna wear it with these tan boots I got from Ego, these pink slouchy socks that I got from Amazon. So this is what these shoes look like, and I think this is very cute. think this is very, very cute. It's giving we wear pink on Wednesdays vibes. And for my bag, I think I'm gonna go with this Liz Claiborne bag that I thrifted from a local thrift store. Put this on. Yes, super, super cute. Love this. Love it. If y'all see my tag on my butt, it's how I keep track of my outfits. So don't make me feel bad, okay? Thank you. But this is the outfit so far. I think for accessories, I am leaning towards maybe like this chain that I got from Shein, or this lock pendant chain that I got from Amazon. I think this one. So I actually think I like this lock necklace a lot better than the other one. I think this lock necklace looks a lot better. I really, really like it. You can kind of see it. I think it kind of pulls the look together. For accessories, I'm gonna do these rings. I'm gonna wear these rings, just a couple of really simple rings. I got these from Amazon and Shein. So let me just put these on. They're all like slightly different shades of pink, but I think they're still pretty cute. So these are the rings I will be wearing. Very, very cute. I think they kind of tie in with the outfit. I think the last thing I want to do is throw on a jacket just so you guys can see what it'll look like with a jacket as well. So this is the outfit with a coat. This is super, super, super cute, guys. Like, this is really, really cute. Super, super, super cute. I love this so much. Like, this might be one of my favorite outfits. It's giving Mean Girls. It's giving Clueless. It's giving like love and hearts. So this outfit is so, so cute, and it's so cute that I actually thought that what would be better than showing you guys like an alternative way to kind of like style up this outfit. So I'm gonna keep the same basis of this outfit, the same top, the same shirt, shoes, pants, whatever. I'm just gonna switch the jacket and the bag and then show you guys what that outfit looks like. So I think for the jacket, I'm gonna use cardigan that I made for my brand Willisky. That's at WILIZKEY Willisky. It's like a play on my last name. I think this is really, really cute as well. But like I said, I have this on. I think it's really, really cute. I think what I'm thinking about styling this with, and it may seem like it's doing a lot, but I think I'm gonna style it with this Coach bag that I showed you guys a little earlier. I just think it'll be cute because, guys, think about it. You see this hot pink here, and I think this kind of hot pink here kind of matches with the pink here, and then the purple and the blue, as you can kind of see in the purse, the purple and the blue, I think also match with like this here. Do you see it? Like there's purple, blue. So I just think this would be really, really cute. So I'm also thinking about maybe styling this together. It definitely gives a lot, but I don't think I've worn this outfit, this blanket jacket, enough. So I kind of want to get more use out of it. And plus, this is kind of like self-promotion. I get to promote my own brand and kind of show people how to style and how to wear my piece. So the next look actually is revolved around this bag. So let's get into the second look. So this is outfit number 3. So as you can tell, this is the outfit. I kept the same purse and even the same pink socks that you've seen featured in the last outfit. So this outfit's gonna be pretty much not. So this outfit is gonna be very, very cute. I love this one. If you haven't already seen, I posted this outfit on my Instagram already, so you can kind of see how I style it. So make sure you go like that, go blow it up, please, 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 please. I'd really appreciate it. To kind of like play into the colors of the bag, so this is the bag. I'm going to style it with these rings. And also, y'all, I don't know if y'all paid attention, but you see like the patent here and then the kind of like shiny shimmer here. I did that on purpose. Y'all, let me just show y'all what I did here. Like, we did like shimmer and shimmer. We did shimmer and shine, y'all. We did shimmer and shine. Mad cute. Mad cute. Let me just show you guys like how I pulled together these colors. For shoes, I am thinking about wearing, sorry, every time I bend over, I feel like these cute little shoes I got from Shein in a size 10. They're these like little shimmer heels. This is like a very, very shimmery look, which I think is gorgeous. So I think this is pretty much the outfit. It's very, very cute. Just a little black heart. I think it kind of plays well into Valentine's Day as well, since it's black and it's a heart. You can probably throw on like some type of coat or something just to kind of spice. So this is the tan trench coat. This looks so cute. Like, I promise you guys, this is like, if you're going like on a really, really cute, like something very sexy with like a significant other or something, wear this outfit because this is really, really cute. And it looks all the better with this trench coat. Like, it looks so much better with this trench coat. It looks so good that I want to go on Instagram and delete my pictures that I took in this outfit and then retake them again with this trench coat, because why did I not? And this will also keep you warm as well. So I think this is very, very cute. So this is look number 3. And now it is time to get into look number 4. This is outfit number 4. Super, super cute, guys. This entire outfit is thrifted as well as DIY. So this was a longer pencil skirt. I love this skirt because it has an amazing print and texture. And I kind of like customized it, DIY'd it on my own. It's super, super cute. Oh my gosh. It's thumping a little bit, y'all. It's thumping. I love this furry, shimmery fabric. Like, look at this, guys. It like literally shimmers in the lights. Can y'all see the shimmer? I hope y'all can see it. I'm thinking about these 4 necklace options. So this pearl necklace that you saw in the beginning, this Murakami flower necklace that I got from By Lolita, and this chain that I got from Envision Jewelry, super cute. Or this, this lock chain that you saw me get from Amazon that you saw me wear in a previous outfit. Or last but not least, this kind of like blinged out Cuban link chain from Shein. So I don't know which chain I'm gonna wear, you guys. Actually, let me just try them all on and see which one I like better. So this is the first necklace. It's very cute, but I don't know if I really do love this pearl one. Doesn't this look so cute? I think the pearl one elevates this look. Tell me not. It elevates this look, right? Elevates. So for this look, I'm thinking about wearing my black boots again. Let me put these on. Ooh. For the bag, so I'm wearing the black shoes. For the bag, I'm gonna do this pink Liz Claiborne bag. I also thrifted this one. Love this bag. It is an amazing quality. I think it was like $5.99. Super, super cute. And I think this looks really, really cute with the, y'all see this? Looks really, really cute with like the little pink accents in the skirt. Just really, really cute. So I love this outfit. Super, super cute. I have one additional thought that I was like, how can I spice up this outfit a little bit more? I have these arm warmers from Amazon. So I think I'm either gonna try to wear these arm warmers as just like, you know, on my sleeve, or I'm gonna try to scrunch them up over the boots. So this is it. Oh yes, guys, I actually really, really like this. I like this too. Guys, I don't really know. Hold on. This is cute. But you guys, like I said, make sure you follow me. I drop this bag every single time. But this is super cute. Super, super cute. Love it. It's edgy. It's nice. It's just adorable. But I'm not gonna keep chatting, guys. I'm gonna get on to our 5th and final look of the day. Let's go. So guys, this is the 5th and final outfit. It's really, really simple but very cute. I really like it. I think I'm gonna show you guys 2 different ways to wear this outfit, because even though it's very, very cute, I can see it being styled a little bit more versatile. So this is style number 1. My necklace options are either this skull necklace or this little Saturn necklace, both Vivienne Westwood dupes that I got from Amazon, or this chunky gold chain that I got from Amazon. So I think I'm gonna do a silver look and then a gold look. So I think I'm gonna go with the gold necklace first. You guys, this is a very great quality Amazon necklace. This is like an essential necklace. Maybe I think I'm gonna layer some necklaces for this look. So I could try I think I'm gonna try to layer. So you guys, this is the look. Hold on, do I have to sneeze? So this is the look. I think I'm gonna go with this cute little bag from Shein that I got that's black with some gold hardware, just like a gold chain handle, as well as just like, you know, a gold longer strap for like a crossbody look. I really love this one, and I just added on my little teddy bear and this black 8-ball and then this black heart, which gives very much Valentine's. I like each and every one of these. Can't really fit this all the way on your arm. I think for shoes, I'm just gonna wear my black boots again, because why not? So this is the look. Ooh, fix the skirt a little bit. This is the look. I like it. I think it's really cute. I think for an extra little pizzazz, I'm just gonna add these arm warmers underneath. But let me show you guys my accessories that I'll be wearing with this as well. I'm just gonna be a little bit more simple with this look. So we just have these couple of rings. You won't really be able to see them, but I still think it's cute to have like some little accessories on as well, just to kind of add some spice. But this is the look, and it's super cute. I love this look so much. So I really love the last look, but I think I want to switch it up and go with like more silver accessories. Guys, now that you've seen the gold look, I think I'm gonna opt out for a silver look, just so you guys can see the difference and what that would look like. And I think I'm just gonna change the way that I am styling this top. So I'm gonna try to tuck it in here, and then maybe try to tuck this on this side. Okay, so I just played around with the style of the shirt a little bit. Definitely would need to like pin it in place just to make sure it's not moving too much, but I think this is kind of cute like this. I kind of like it. But I think I'm gonna throw on this other dupe necklace as well, and that's also an option. So I'm gonna use this bag, which is a bag from Sicily that I thrifted. It's really cute. I will actually be featuring this bag in the upcoming thrift haul, so stay tuned. Yes guys, I really like this. This is really cute. I'm not really sure if there's anything else I want to add to the outfit. I'm pretty sure that this is just it. Not really much of a difference, but I think just changing the way the shirt is buttoned, as well as adding a new set of jewelry, as well as like a different bag, really just changes the outfit very effortless. Please let me know in the comment section below what outfit was your favorite. So make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I'm not gonna keep talking your heads off, you guys, but bye.
Been working all day, got time for no play. You laugh in my face, that's just not okay. Been stuck in my ways, I still overthink. If I let you stay, then you're for my pain. Been lost in my ways.
Please look at the shoes. You guys, I'm gonna just say this right now before I blow up. Follow me on all my social media, y'all. Like, before I blow up, follow me on Instagram at _SKAHY. Follow me on TikTok at Mylann. I don't know if there's an underscore, but I'll put it down below. Follow me on my Instagram styling page at Skylishly Styled. You can also find it in my bio at _SKHY on Instagram. Subscribe to this YouTube channel, y'all, because y'all know these outfits is fire.